We all know that recruitment process is a hard one when it comes in the screening of resumes, right? We leverage this problem statement with Botminds. In addition to this, Botminds also offer us a dashboard built-in, which we could make an attractive dashboards like includes pie charts, tabular format, line charts, and different attractive dashboards where we could make an attractive analysis out of it, right? So this could be an finest feature of Botminds. So resumes which we get from the different vendors might be in unstructured format, which includes JPEG, image, or might be in a docx, PDF, and so on. So this couldn't be handled, right? So, but Botminds could handle this without any backdrops because they support all the above mentioned formats. You could see here that we are presenting a sample of a predicted document which is predicted out of the Botminds AI platform. And we could see the format has been in different in upcoming slides. This is one of the format, and this is another format. So Botman says that format doesn't matter. So we could make predictions out of any type of unstructured document. So by this we could get structured document. So in summarizing to all the problem statements, Botminds is a one-stop solution where we could get an structured format and then dashboard analysis. In addition to that, making our time as a productive work, which Botminds AI plays a vital role in recruitment process automation.